Is your tomato plant looking like it's given up on life? Pale leaves, no fruit, flowers dropping off like they're on strike? Don't panic. What I'm about to show you is not your average garden tip. It's a time-tested tomato resurrection formula, straight from nature's secret book. And the best part? It's 100% free. Stick with me till the end, because I won't reveal this miracle hack until the final moment. Yes, it's that powerful. Before we dig in, drop a comment telling us where you're watching from. We love seeing our tomato tribe around the world. And of course, smash that like button and subscribe to Mekirakacha TV for more juicy garden wisdom. Let's talk tomato troubles. Your plants look weak, the soil is dry and lifeless. You've tried everything, manure, compost, even begged them to grow, but nothing. Listen closely. When your tomatoes are stressed from heat, drought, or poor soil, they don't just stop growing, they silently scream for help. And unless you know what to give them, they won't recover. But guess what? There's a liquid recipe so powerful, it'll not only bring them back, it'll boost flowering, multiply fruit production, and strengthen stems like never before. But don't skip ahead, because I'll be giving you the full step-by-step near the end of this video. Stick around. This secret fertilizer does 5 incredible things: supercharges root development, strengthens weak tomato stems, stops flowers from dropping prematurely, encourages massive juicy fruit production, nourishes without harming the soil or killing good microbes. Best of all, it's chemical-free, eco-friendly, and costs you nothing. That's why at Mekirakacha TV we call it the Tomato Lifeline. If you're finding this exciting, type Mekirakacha Power in the comments and let us know if you're growing tomatoes in sacks, raised beds, or open fields. Okay, here it is, the moment you've waited for. The secret tomato hack that can transform dying plants into fruit machines. Take 2 bay leaves, pour over them, 3 liters of water you used to rinse rice. Let it rest for 12 hours, strain it, and water the base of your tomato plants. Boom! The bay leaves fight bacteria and boost plant immunity. The rice water delivers starch, vitamins, and minerals to turbocharge root and fruit growth. Use it once every week, and watch your tomatoes bounce back with vengeance. So don't just scroll away. Try it out today and let us know in the comments what your results are. And hey, share this video with your fellow growers so they don't give up on their tomato dreams. Like, subscribe, comment your results, and tell us where you're growing from. Mekirakacha TV take-home message. Sometimes the smallest kitchen waste holds the biggest power for your garden. Don't underestimate nature's secrets. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, the Mekirakacha way.